This time of year, you do not have to travel far to see political yard signs.
Yeah, tonight in the legal lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy whether those signs can be subjected to regulations.
Andrea, I know this is a question that comes up, every election cycle, and we're seeing it already. People ask, can a homeowners association restrict, let's say, for example, how many political yard signs someone puts in their yard?
So they can. There's a Missouri statute right on point that says that HOA has the means to adopt rules to really content neutral rules to regulate the time, size, place, number, and manner of political signs. They can even remove political signs if they give the homeowner 3 days notice if it violates some statute or ordinance, or even homeowners association ordinance. They can be removed.
And there are some cases where we hear complaints that people view a sign as offensive. Does the law clearly define, if a sign is offensive and if it can be removed on that basis?
So as you can imagine, political yard signs are covered by the First Amendment, right? Our right to freedom of speech. So most prohibitions have been mostly to content neutral things, again, like time, place, how many signs, and really the content of the signs is really unregulated unless there's some really extreme circumstance like an incitement to violence. But generally speaking, even offensive language is allowed.
Any other just general words of wisdom when it comes to what the law says about, where you can place a political sign?
Yeah, so generally speaking, again, because the U.S. Supreme Court has allowed regulation that's content neutral, you really should check with, your state statutes, your homeowners association, and your local municipal ordinances to see if there are these content neutral regulations that say, like, you can't block the right of way on a sidewalk or a road, or even, for instance, Creve Coeur has a rule that says how far before an election you can place a sign and how many days after the election you can leave it up. So there are some content neutral regulations you should be aware of and check for.
Some timely advice. Andrea McNairy with Brown and Crouppen. As always, we appreciate your legal insights. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the legal lens every Wednesday evening right here on Fox 2 News at 6.